Welcome. This is Yoga Nidra to reset your nervous system and bring your body and mind into a state of deep relaxation. So please go ahead and find a comfortable position, lying on your back. You might want to cover yourself with a blanket, arms resting by your sides, with palms facing up and legs gently apart, and do any other adjustments to support your body to feel as best as you can. And this is your time to relax, your time to restore the balance to your nervous system, your time to be here for yourself. And with your next exhale, close your eyes, allowing the outside world to fade away. And let's begin by connecting with the breath. Take a moment to notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. There is no need to change or control it. Simply observe. Feel the gentle rise of your belly on the inhale and the soft release on the exhale. And now we'll begin with a simple breathing technique, physiological sigh, fastest way to release stress and calm the nervous system. So let's take a double inhale through the nose, like this. That's followed by a long, slow exhale through your mouth. And we'll repeat it 3 times. Double inhale, long exhale, two inhales, slow exhale, and the last time, filling your lungs with the air, emptying completely. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. And now you can set your sankalpa, your intention for this session. With each breath, I create space for ease and inner harmony. We will now move into a gentle body scan and sense right big toe, second, third, fourth, little toe, sole of the foot, right heel, top of the foot, sensing the ankle, calf muscle, shin, right knee, thigh, right hip, right side of the waist, right armpit, shoulder, shoulder, the upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, back of your right hand, right thumb, first finger, second, third, fourth finger. Sense into your right palm, moving the awareness to your left palm, left thumb, first finger, second, third, and fourth finger, back of your left hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, the upper arm, shoulder, armpit, left side of the waist, hip, thigh, knee, shin, calf muscle, the ankle, top of the foot, and sense big toe, second, third, fourth, little toe, sole of the foot, heel, sensing your tailbone, right buttock, left buttock, whole pelvis, your abdomen, navel, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, right collarbone, left collarbone, the front of the neck, relaxing the jaw, focusing on your chin now, the lower lip, upper lip, tongue, teeth and gums, inside of the right cheek, inside of the left cheek, left cheek, right cheek, nose, right ear, left ear, right eye, left eye, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, the center between the eyebrows, whole forehead, crown of your head, the contact of your head with the surface on which it is resting on, back of the neck. Let your awareness fall from the back of the neck as a waterfall down your spine. Sense into your right leg. Hold left leg, the lower back, mid back, the upper back, whole torso, the whole right arm, whole left arm, whole hand, and your whole body. And now it's a good time to repeat your intention. With each new breath, I am creating space for ease and inner harmony. For the next few moments, simply rest in this peaceful state and enjoy the calm. And with each breath, allow your body to soften a little more. And begin to bring movement into your body. Stretch your arms overhead. And one more deep breath in through your nose. And sigh out. Grounding yourself in this very moment. Honor yourself, taking this time for yourself. Time to relax and nurture your mind, body, and soul. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. And thank you for joining me. Namaste.